Here I will show you how to translate language using this keyboard like a pro. Now this keyboard can work in iOS and also Android. Now open it. Now we are in. Now make sure after downloading it you set it up like this. You see, set it up like this. Here in the theme, make sure you set it up. Here in the keys, make sure you set it up like this. You see how I turn my own on. Make sure your own is turned on like this in order to see the full perfection or the full in order to reach the full efficiency of this keyboard. Now here in sound, make sure your own is turned on like this. Here on test input, make sure your own is turned on like this. You see it. Now here on gesture and voice, make sure your own is turned on like this. Here on top bar, make sure your own is turned on like this. You see how I turn my own on. Make sure your own is turned on like this. And also see how this look if you turn all the features I told you to turn on. I showed you here. See how it will be. It will be like this. Now in order to translate language, go to the social media or the platform you want to translate language from. Now here I will use Messenger. Here open your Messenger or open the platform, any platform you want to translate the language from. Or now see it here. You see the languages, you see my chat. In order to understand this language and also to reply accurately in the same language, click on the language, copy it. Now we need to identify the origin of this language. Now open your Google Translator. Make sure you have Google Translator. The link is on the description section. Now make sure you have it. Now open it. Here, open it. Now paste the language here. Paste it. Now you see it. Sorry. Paste the language like this. You see it. Google have identified the language origin. You see it is a Scottish language. Scottish. You see it. Now in order to reply it in Scottish, now go to the platform again. Here on the chat, click on this translate icon here. Click on it. Here, click on it. Now select the language you want to translate it into by clicking on this one. Here, select the language. You see it. Click on it. Now type what you want to reply to the client or to the person. You see it. It translates it accurately. Now let's know if it's accurate. If it is accurate, so we're gonna send it, or you just copy it from that dashboard like this. Copy it. Now let's know if this thing, if this keyboard translator translate it perfectly. Now let's go back to Google Translate app. Now here inside the Google Translate app, let's remove this. Now paste the language here. Now let's change the translate pool. You see it. You see how it translates it. You see it. You see that this keyboard translator is very legit and also 100% accurate. You see it, just you see how it work. That's how to do this. That's how to translate using this keyboard like a pro. If you found this video helpful, consider like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more AI tool and tech related guide. Check the description for more of my videos and also download the keyboard there. Thank you once again for watching. See you on the next video. Thanks.